Want to unlock the hidden potential of your Mastercard gift card and use it for everything you do on Cash App? First, make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your phone. This ensures you have all the necessary features. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your Cash App home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down the profile screen until you find the Linked Banks option. Then give it a tap. Here, select the Add a Bank option. If it's the first time linking, if you already have a bank linked, choose Add Card instead. Now, carefully enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code from your Mastercard gift card. Double-check for any typos. Once you've entered the information, tap Add Card. If everything matches, Cash App will confirm that your Mastercard gift card is successfully linked. You can now use your gift card balance to send and receive money, make online purchases, and enjoy all the other awesome features Cash App offers. To check your gift card balance, visit the website printed on the back of the card or call the customer service number provided. Keep in mind, some merchants might require you to register the gift card with your name and address before using it for online transactions, so check the terms and conditions of your card. Now you're ready to get the most out of your gift card.